be a patient? Okay, I will not read it because it's German. I cannot do anything right now. Wait a sec. Oh. So guys, today I'm gonna do that. And it's not gonna be easy, I just know. What's her name? Mikali. Cute! Slay! Season 1, okay. Let's go! I don't feel so good. Hey! What the hell? I'm not going anymore. I'm gonna sit in my room and just gonna cry. I'm Sammy. Sammy! You have a TV. I don't know. Something's wrong. And I don't know what. Wait a second. Guys, please write in the comments what's wrong with the second fucking patient. But I think the first time we don't really get anomalies. So X even said that. So bye, Sammy. Now I'm gonna go look for the first patient. Oh shit, I'm lagging. What do you want? Ouch. What do you want from me? What does she need? She needs clean shit. Sorry. Oh, then I can go. But I have the feeling you need eye drops, right? I'm already getting some. Oh, it's a tail. They have tail. Oh, damn. I forgot to press the button. Wait, I'm okay again. So, guys, I'm not sick anymore if you asked yourself that. The nurse is coming. Yippee! Holy shit, how does he look? The last time I see him, he looked different. What is? You need to blah 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 blah. I didn't go start reading that. Huh? Ah. Let me open it. I did not open the door. Okay, make it go. Of course, me. Because woohoo, yeah. Oh shit. I should fix the camera first, so please go for a few seconds. Why do you not feel that good? The polio frame, like shit. Look at it. I see my name on my hand. Oh, so silly. Hello, sorry. I need to fix something. And yes. Wait. Now I have camera, so. Yes, sir. I will not hit it. I will do that good I can because I don't know. But I'm gonna get the taser. I'm gonna do fun things. Holy shit, no! Fuck off! Fuck the fuck off. Wait. Why is he watching? Wait a second. First, I'm gonna close it. I want to bit that go. Okay. Be angry. I don't care. Ouchie. I'm sorry, girl. Is it a girl or a boy? I don't know. I did it! What do you need? White stuff. Right next to your room. So. I always don't want to be in first person because I hate it. Hey. Not this guy, fuck up! Is that dog? Is that normal? It's of course not, right? I heard people screaming, ew, ew, ew. Stop, stop, stop. I hate it, guys. I would be happy if I'm just dead right now because I did not open it again. What's broken? I don't. I need to get the. Sorry. So I need to give it. I cannot say no because it's not possible. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna drink my coffee. Yeah, sure. I need to. Okay, I'm ready for every scam scare possible. Please, guys. Guys, you can tell me in the comments what I could do in this situation because it's my first time and I'm kind of scared. Oh wait, I can just that. Now it works. Yeah, fuck off. Nobody likes you. Oh shit, it's a special thing. I don't know what it is. Okay. Hi, one. Okay. I don't know. I get it. Okay. So, of course, it's gotta be okay for the first time. Yeah, the pic's okay. But the camera's okay like that. Yes, sir. What the hell is wrong with me? I don't know what he says because I was too late. I couldn't read it. What the hell was that? I did not like it. You make it stop! Maybe a camera was broken. Okay, the camera, you okay? Good. What the hell? Now I'm getting scared. I'm being honest. It's the first time I'm playing this game alone, and now I have a problem now because I'm feeling lost. no rooms. Okay, no rooms. Ah! Ouch! Shut the fuck up! Right there. What do you need then? It's a wild load. I have to go to the side. There's that. Okay, I can. He needs that wet digger. And you need that. What do you need, sir? Poop. That. But first that to him. That to him. Yes. But Demon, how are you so sure? Like, oh no, I hate the doctor kind of, for being honest. Yeah, we need to fix the class because this one dude came. I know. Ooh. Ooh, hooey. Oh yeah, that would be nice. Where was my coffee? My coffee is gone. Should I twink it? No. And I can close it now. I don't care. Huh? No! Wait, I want to look about the pictures. Wait a second. I want to give you back shots. Hi. Call your name. Come on. You're serious? Of course not. Fuck off. $400. Oh, what the heck? 400. I could buy it soon, but not now. Sorry! Why did you leave? My bag is kicking me in the chair. Stop. What's up? Stop. Oh, damn, I cannot zoom out. If we say stop, you guys could just like and subscribe, maybe, and I already said, and do the clock thingy. It's my first time playing this game. It's already 16 minutes. Oh shit, that will be a long video. So I try to make a 1 hour long video because I'm just bored and I don't know what to do. And a selfie. Did it work? Yeah, it worked! It's perfect, okay. You guys will not connected right now, okay? My bag is bad. So I'm gonna be off for a few seconds because maybe I will walk up off camera because it's too true that us that what the hell? And now goodbye. I don't want you. Hey, hello. Wait, it's time for a fast part of the video. Are you guys ready? Let's wait. Only the patient, and then let's go. Let's go, okay? And I will do it. Now I need to do it because I said it to myself. I hate this fucking camera. So let's do it.
Lost and lonely, I step away from this giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild without a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here, didn't know that love was real until I found me lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild without a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here, didn't know that love was real until I found me lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild without a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here, didn't know that love was real until I found me lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild without a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here, didn't know that love was real until I found me lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild without a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here, didn't know that love was real until I found me lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild without a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here, didn't know that love was real until I found me lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild without a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here, didn't know that love was real until I found me lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild without a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this, giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild with a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here. Didn't know that love was real until I lonely, lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this, giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild with a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's like I'm here. Didn't know that love was real until I lonely, lonely, lost and lonely. I step away from this, giving up slowly. I was a mess, I was afraid. I'd be the girl who just put up a wall no one could break. Till I found him running through the wild with a heart. Made me a whole one out of the parts. Suddenly it's
That's it. I will not make a part 2 because I'm fucking mad. It doesn't work. I don't have enough internet. I don't fucking know. And I just need to go to school. So I'm in school. So I'm right now. So I'm in the toilet right now. I'm in the bathroom, and in the silence there always pops some people in, and I need to be quiet because it's kind of bad. So bye guys.